What's up, guys? Sorry about my hair. It is currently Thursday, March 7th. I'm sorry, I still have a little bit of a cold. What the heck is that? I still have a little bit of a cold. You've probably heard it in like my last like 5 videos and another one on Tuesday. But I just wanted to vlog today because it's been a pretty busy day so far. I worked this morning and then I filmed 2 videos. This is my third I'm filming today, and I edited one of them. I edited and filmed my updated apartment tour today, and then I also filmed my airplane essentials video, which will be going up on Tuesday, so be excited for that. But I wanted to film this vlog. It's going to be going up next week. When you see this, I have filmed it a week ago, but I wanted to film it because in just a few hours, we are leaving for Seattle. I'm so excited, guys. So I've never been to Seattle, and I was even talking to Blake because we have a whale tour booked, and I have never even seen the Pacific Ocean, like as far as I can remember, because I've been to Alaska and I've been to California, but I don't think I ever went to like the beach. So I was like, this is so cool. I'm gonna see the Pacific Ocean for the first time. And Seattle has just been like a dream of mine to go to for forever, like Pike's Place, the Gum Wall, there's a unicorn cafe we're going to. What? So excited, guys. Like, I'm so excited. And so I'm sorry about my horrible makeup, but I wanted to film this video kind of showing you guys what I'm up to, packing, show you guys what I'm packing. I think what I'm going to do right now is first take a bath and get all this makeup off and get into some comfy PJs before I start packing. And I need to wash my hair because I'm not going to shower again until Saturday, because tomorrow we're basically traveling all day. So essentially what happened was, because we used to live in Miami, we bought tickets from Miami to Seattle. And when we moved here to Atlanta, we couldn't change the flights, so we're going to be doing a road trip to Miami, and then it's worked out though because Nala's going to be staying with my dad instead of with a boarder, so that's really nice. And yeah, so we're going to Miami, and then from there, from Miami, we fly to Denver, and we're in Denver for like 10 hours, and then from Denver, we finally get to Seattle on Saturday morning. So we're super, super excited, but it is going to be a super, super long day, so I do need to get prepared for that. And yeah, that's basically what's happening. And oh, one more thing before I show you guys what I'm actually doing. But so on Tuesday, I had a couple Tuesdays ago, the video about body confidence. That video was so difficult. Essentially what happened was I wanted to get really good at editing, so I started using Premiere. But when I started using Premiere and I tried to export that video, it would not export because I didn't have enough space on my computer. And the reason I didn't have enough space on my computer is because my computer is really old. It's a MacBook Air 2013, and so it only has like 100 gigs of capacity on it. So when I tried exporting it, it wouldn't export, and basically all the footage got lost somehow because, not gonna lie, I hate Premiere. So in that process, we called Premiere support. They finally got the footage back, but when they got it back, it wasn't edited. So I had to re-edit it, and then it wouldn't export again. It was just this huge mess, and they basically told me that I had to download the 2017 version. When I downloaded the 2017 version, my audio and my video were not in sync. Just a wonderful day. And I was so sad because it was the first time this entire year I've been consistently uploading Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I feel like my video, the content of them has gotten better. So I really hope that you guys feel the same way, because I really want to be a great content creator, and I really am like researching how to edit better, how to film better. So I really hope that you guys are enjoying them, especially in the next couple weeks, our travel diaries and our travel vlogs. I've been watching like a ton of footage and learning from the best, so I'm really excited. But anyway, so today when I was putting up my updated apartment tour after that huge mess, because that video ended up taking like 30 hours to get up with like all of the drama that happened with it, when I uploaded my updated apartment tour, it told me that I had it on private, so I put it on public, and like I went and tried to watch it and it said this video is private, and I immediately started panicking because I was like, why isn't this working? And eventually, like 10 minutes later, it finally like worked and it started playing. But man, guys, it has been a rough week for me on the YouTube. So anyway, I've now been talking for 5 minutes. So let me start my bath and I'll show you guys what I'm going to put inside of it. Also, here is the effects of the end of my Airplane Essentials video. So check that out on Tuesday. It's kind of a mess. I need to put it back in the bag. And also, Blake and I are sharing one suitcase because that's something of Nala's there, by the way. I don't know what that is. But anyway, we're sharing one suitcase. So we are going to have to pack very, very light. So instead of like 2-3 outfits per day, girl, I only get one. So be prepared for that. Let's get it started in here. This is the struggle, is Nala always loves to run around in the bath, and so she leaves these freaking paw prints everywhere, and I'm too lazy to clean them out, so whatever. And I'm gonna put some Dr. Teal's. I have been loving this lately. I talked about it in my updated apartment tour, but I'm just so tired lately because I've been working a lot of doubles as a server, and that is a lot of stress on your body. Nala's emerging because she hears the bath. But I've been so stressed, and my body's been so tired that this is amazing. And I have a really hard time sleeping at night, and I'm convinced that the lavender has been helping me. So let's pour this baby on in there. Woohoo! While I'm in the bath, I usually watch YouTube videos because this is an iPhone 10, so I can take it in the bath and not really get too worried about it because it's waterproof. But today, I'm actually going to be scrolling through and deleting all my old pictures and videos and like clearing out my emails, because when I go to Seattle, I don't want the little message pop up and be like, you're out of space. So I'm going to try to clear as much space as I possibly can so that I don't have to worry about that. And I upgraded my iCloud storage as well. Yay! Travel tips with Riss. I am also drinking in my beautiful skull mask art cup. I'll link that in this video as well. But I'm drinking in here some LaCroix. My absolute favorite is the cucumber blackberry favorite. It is so delicious. Oh wait, it's right here. Here's the can. This one is so delicious, guys. It literally tastes like spa water, and I love it. Also, I know this looks really, really fancy. My sister-in-law got this for me. I wish I could use it. The only problem is that this does not plug in here. It's like way too big. So we're gonna have to get like either an adapter or a new camera, a new, what's it called, mic. But look how fancy it looks. Like, I would feel like a real vlogger if I used that, you know what I'm saying? But I need a new camera anyway, because this one doesn't have autofocus, so I've been using my iPhone to film most of my videos recently because it has a great camera on it. What's up, guys? I just got out of the bath and I painted my nails. I did rose gold sparkles. I love this nail color. I got it from Hot Topic, but I don't really know what the brand is called. But anyway, I'm about to start packing. I just looked up the weather for Seattle and it was like lows of like 20s and highs of 50s. So it's gonna be freaking cold. But like in Atlanta this week, it's been like in the 30s and 40s, so I don't think it's gonna be as bad as I'm expecting. I'm just worried because Seattle's like on the coast. I feel like there's like a lot of like coastal breezes, whereas like Atlanta is more inland. And the thing that bothers me is not the cold, it is the wind. It is so cold when it's like cold wind. So anyway, just wanted to tell you, I'm gonna start packing and we are gonna be watching The Office while we pack. Alright guys, here's what's currently happening right now. So like I said earlier, we are sharing a suitcase, so we need to get all of our stuff to fit into this suitcase. But
it's our big suitcase?
Yeah.
What?
What are you thinking? So I have my hats ready to go. They're super cute. I got them from Forever 21. And then I've got my gloves over here, all my sweaters and stuff, taking my boots, pajamas. And I got my laptop to upload my videos, but unfortunately my memory card isn't working, so we're gonna have to buy a new one. But that's basically what's happening right now. I also just got these headbands from Amazon, and they're really, really cool. So they like have the wire inside. You probably saw them on my updated apartment tour. I wore one. They're really cute. I'm a big fan. I'll have them linked in the description box down below. So update for you guys. It didn't work. So Blake's running to his sister's house because she has a bigger suitcase, so we're gonna use that one. We did take this one to Colorado with us in August, but I think it's because we are packing so many winter clothes right now, whereas like in Denver it was a little bit warmer, so we didn't need as many winter clothes. So that's the biggest problem. But I've just been sitting here while he's gone, and I just cleared all my emails, and it feels so good because I had like 5,000 emails, because every time I clear them on my computer, it doesn't clear on my phone for some reason. So I just had like them sitting there and sitting there and sitting there for years and years and years, and I finally cleared them all out, and it feels so good. So I did that, and now I'm about to start clearing my photos just so I have plenty of room for Seattle. And yeah, that's an update for you guys. Oh, and Blake's getting me a McDonald's. Oh yeah. Well, Nala's coming with us. Oh, look at that little booty waggle. Nala, you want to come to Seattle? Oh, she's so loving. Also, surprise, surprise, the ice cream machine at McDonald's is down.
It's down, like always.
So,
Get down.
no McDonald's for Rissy. Late night grilled cheese for Riss. And I always eat my grilled cheese with hot sauce. I don't know if that's weird, but it's usually Crystal, but there's none that we could find at Kroger. So I have Frank's Red Hot. Also, I changed my nail polish. It has a lot of like excess bits I need to take off, but I did white with gold sparkles because the rose gold for some reason kept like bunching up, and it was driving me nuts. Nala was begging for my food, but she fell asleep when I finished, and so now she's just sitting on my foot. She's so cute. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's vlog. I hope that you all enjoyed. And it's basically like 2 a.m. Blake and I are really horrible about going to bed on time before we leave for trips, because we always leave packing for like the last possible second. But we're gonna try to get some rest, and our flight is basically all night anyway, so we'll have plenty of time to sleep before we get to Seattle. But I hope that you're having a wonderful week. Don't mind my retainer, and keep an eye out for our Seattle vlogs, which will be out next week. Bye!